In this video, I'll explain the common reasons your ticket emails might land in spam, show a sent via tag, or experience delivery delays, and what you can do to improve deliverability in Talk2. When you send ticket emails without a custom domain, your messages are sent from a shared email infrastructure. Because the sender domain may not match your brand, recipient mail providers may treat the message as less trustworthy. This can result in spam filtering sent via tags in Gmail and longer delivery times. For users on our free plan, ticket emails are sent through Talk2's shared infrastructure. This means the sending reputation is shared among many users, and one user's poor sending practices can affect others. Consequently, emails sent through shared domains may face increased spam filtering, longer delivery times ranging from minutes to hours, and additional verification checks from providers like Gmail. Many mail providers like Gmail and Outlook run spam and security checks before delivering messages. If they are unsure about the sender, they may queue the email for additional verification. Delays can also happen when your domain is new or has a low reputation, the email lacks authentication records, or the recipient's server applies extra security checks. These delays are not unique to Talk2 and can happen with any email service. While delivery times on the free plan can vary, configuring a custom domain for your support email typically improves delivery speeds to within 1 to 5 minutes. This is because authentication is consistent. Recipient servers trust the domain, and you are not affected by shared reputation issues. To achieve the best results, we highly recommend using a custom domain. A custom domain makes your emails look more authentic and consistent, reducing spam filtering and removing sent via tags. You should also add SPF and DKIM records. SPF identifies which servers are authorized to send email for your domain, while DKIM signs your email so recipients can verify they weren't altered. While optional, adding a DMARC record is strongly recommended, as it helps email providers apply your authentication policies more effectively and offers better protection against spoofing. Finally, asking your customers and team to whitelist your support email can further reduce spam filtering. There are a few additional things to consider. DNS updates can take several hours to be recognized across all networks worldwide, so it is normal to experience a delay before verification goes through. Your domain reputation also plays a role, as new or low-volume domains may still trigger extra spam checks. Ultimately, external providers control delivery speed, and systems like Gmail, Outlook, or corporate networks may still delay delivery while verifying messages, even when everything is configured correctly. If you have set up a custom domain with proper DNS records and are still seeing delays or spam flags, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, verify your DNS records are configured correctly in your domain registrar. Next, check your domain reputation using email testing tools. You can also test delivery with multiple email providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Finally, review your email forwarding setup to ensure everything is correct. For more assistance, visit the Talk2 Academy or book a call with a customer support team member.